What's good, everybody? Thank y'all for tuning in tonight. What's going on, everybody? We got the green screen rocking. We got the camera back up. Thank y'all for tuning in tonight. Y'all see what happens when we don't crypto live stream? Prices start dipping, baby. We got Ethereum 3,200, Bitcoin 48,142, Dogecoin 29.27. We got ADA 276. We were kind of thinking that the other day. I thought ADA was gonna have pretty good pullback, guys. It didn't pull back to the levels I thought yet. I was thinking somewhere around 260 or 250. I think it did get that quick dip off of 250. Let's see real quick. Let's check it out. What's up, Heat? Adam Wilburn. We got Ernesto in the chat. Alex. Thomas Harris. Thank y'all, guys. What's up, Zach? We got Bulldog Trading in the chat. I used my Rock 40 nuggies when I was younger all the time. That's funny. Oh man, it's been a crazy day, guys. We had some pretty crazy price action. Yeah, 258 was the low on ADA today. So did see some pullback from that run up, guys. It was expected. I think a lot of people kind of freaked out, though. Had a lot of selling, man. Dipped all the way at 258 and then found support and bounced. And it's looking to consolidate. So best case scenario, I thought it was going to dip pretty hard before it shot back to 3. I'm still not changing that prediction. I still think we'll be hitting $3 on ADA come pretty shortly, guys. Just checking out the charts. I didn't look at the charts at all today. I just kind of, I was at work most of the day, but I just kind of took the day off from reading the charts. I glanced at it every now and then, but I'm not concerned about ADA in the least bit right now, guys. Really not. Dogecoin, though, is showing some signs that we could possibly be getting some buying opportunities coming up here shortly. As you can see, it's probably the whole crypto market took a big dip around the same time right here. So even at 27 would have been a good opportunity to pick some up if you did. But I know a lot of people were worried it was going to keep going. Unfortunately, I didn't see this right here earlier. I wasn't watching it too closely. But I think we'll know in the next day or two what kind of track crypto is going back on. I think there's a lot of FUD going around the market with the infrastructure bill. People are uncertain what's going on with it, and it can cause that. They had some Coinbase drama where a lot of people were getting their accounts hacked and stuff like that. So I think that has a little driving force behind why the market's acting the way it is. We see a stock market rallying, man. The meme stocks were on fire today. We'll go over percentages today, see what they were doing. But I know AMC GameStop was a really big winner today. I think it was up around 20-some%. So the stock market's rallying, crypto's dipping. It's just a weird time out there right now. It really is. What's up, Crypto Visions? Thank you very much for tuning in, my man. Let me get my thing set up right here so I don't have to look down at the iPad. Yeah, man, I'm back on the camera, man. I wanted to incorporate it. I set up the green screen trying to have my face on the chart, so y'all let me know if y'all like it. What's up, Ben Cadillac? How you doing, my man? Good to see you, RW. Thank you very much for tuning in. Whoa, look at this dude floating in front of the charts. Yeah, man, I had to set it up, man. I had to get it going. Wanted to get back in front of the camera. I took it off for a while just to get kind of, back in a comfort zone, being on the mic and stuff like that. So really, just a process, man. We're gonna keep playing with stuff, changing stuff. Nonetheless, I'm happy to be back on the microphone. Surprised this man ain't in his pajamas. Look, this dude looks like he's ready for work. That's funny, man. Yeah, man, it worked well. If you need some help setting up, dude, let me know. I'll reach out to anybody. Yeah, the meme stocks dude made a killing today. I want to check out some GameStop, man, because I knew that one ran. I think it ran more than AMC. I did see that today because I still got my notifications set on Webull when AMC rips, and I was getting notifications all day. So yeah, up 20, almost 30% on a day, man. GameStop having a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm eager to see what this does tomorrow. See if we have a little bit of a pullback from what happened today, but nonetheless. Man, this is beautiful, beautiful price action. Absolutely beautiful. Up about 1% in after hours. Yeah, almost up 30% on the day, man. I saw you in the Discord, Bear. If you're in here, dude. I saw you at you're not holding your AMC bag no more, dude. And man, this thing ripping and rocking, man. Up, yeah, about 26% on the day. So yeah, meme stocks absolutely rocking and killing it. AMC looks really great. Man, I'm so excited. I want to see what happens tomorrow, guys. You'd almost think there'd be a little bit of a pullback, but we'll see what happens. I wonder what Cost and Nokia and all them did. Let me see real quick. Yeah, Cost moved a little bit. I was expecting that. This was heavily shorted, man. There's not a big float on this on Cost either. There's only like 5 million shares available, and most of them are owned by institutions. So I was expecting that. Whenever the meme stocks rip, Cost, all them ones tend to rip. Whoa, let me turn that down. Sorry about that. Also got a super chat. We got a super sticker from Mr. Robert Dean. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Greatly, greatly appreciate it, my man. Oh, thank you, Zach. Yeah, man, it took me a little while to set everything up, dude. And that's the thing with OBS. Like when you're setting stuff up for the first time, it could possibly take you 4 hours for what should really take you 15, 20 minutes. So now that I know, of course, I could set it up in a few minutes, but you know, that's just the way it is, man. Just the way it rolls. And we try to, I'm playing around with some thumbnails right now, trying to get everything, trying to find a groove, if you know what I mean. I'm doing good, Robert Dean. Thank you very much for that super chat, my man. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. What's up, 2020 Tech? Good to have you in the chat, my friend. We got Mr. KC in the house. What's happening, man? Man could be in WFH uniform. I had to throw on a polo for y'all, man. I didn't want to come on here and rock in a cutoff or nothing, you know. Yep, business in the PJ bottoms. I'm wearing some basketball shorts right now. Guarantee you. Bulldog. No pants, gang, gang. Hey, BD, when you get some time, man, I cannot figure out voice mods, dude. I'm going to need your help with that, my man. I tried, dude, and I don't want to pull a L snap and try to do a baby voice, and you know how that got him. So I can't get it, man. I figured out the green screen. I figured out a bunch of other stuff, dude. That voice mods, it's getting me right now, man. But guys, if y'all not part of Bulldog Trading, man, y'all make sure to check him out. I've been plugging him. Y'all know that. We just had a big day over there yesterday. We crossed 20,000 subs over there. Man, that was super fun. Everybody was hanging out, having a good time, man. For real, man, on the mic, now that you can see me on the camera, hey, man, I'm very happy for y'all, man, and congratulations. Really am. Come on, man. I look like I would sell a used car. Dang, bro. Ooh, CTRM was popping. Let's check it out, man. I used to like some CTRM before they reverse split, man. I had a buddy from work too, man. He's like the reverse split guy. He calls it, man. He kept telling me, oh, CTRM boating company, they always reverse split, and they did. But yeah, man, definitely popping. I bet you my Riot. Did you get out of Riot, Bulldog? I got out Monday morning, up 4%. Riot moved very slightly, up 5%, then 2% down in the aftermarket hours. Let's check out HUT, guys. We've been big on HUT over here. Let's see what HUT's doing. Yeah, not too good. and that's directly reflected with the crypto market. So that's why that's doing pretty bad right now. You minute fix? Oh, dude, you save me a lot of time then. Definitely. What's up, Whiskey? Thanks for tuning in, man. Yep. What's up, Saul? Yeah, stock market was booming, man. It was absolutely, dude. I was surprised, and like this infrastructure stuff that's going on, like I think it's just creating FUD in the crypto market, man. I think that has a lot to do with it. When there's uncertainty in the market, directly affects it, and the changes they're trying to make with this brokerage stuff on the infrastructure bill, I think it has a little something to do with it. And I think the whales take advantage of any type of FUD. You know, they'll just short everything down. I haven't been checking whale trades lately, but I'd about imagine everything's getting shorted. Awesome, dude. You got out of riot today, green, and after hours. Them naps will kill you, man. Them naps will get you. I lucked out, man. I went to sleep. I did the same thing the previous Monday, man. I woke up at 3 a.m. my time. That's when pre-market starts in Central Time. Put the order in, went to sleep, woke up 6%. I was actually being a little greedy last week. I was waiting for like a 10%. It ended up dipping down again. But Riot, like it'll tend to run till about 11 o'clock, but it didn't do that this week. So changing up on us. Matt, what do you think the infrastructure bill would do to crypto? Lots of confusion over it. Yeah, and there's going to be confusion until they sort everything out. There can still be changes. I still believe where crypto is going this year. I mean, I think there'll be a pretty good run up to finish out the year. I think you'll see ADA $5 to $10. We've been saying it now. Just because we had one red day doesn't stop where things are going. I was expecting a pullback, and I know a bunch of YouTubers and a bunch of people in the community were talking about 250 on ADA before it pops to 3. And, that's kind of what I was feeling. I wanted to see how everything was going. I'm not selling yet. I'll let you guys know. But, I mean, you can see we dropped down to 250 today on ADA, right back to 278. We still got smart contracts and the Alonzo upgrade coming on September 12th. So it's going to be a very good day leading up to that. I don't think it'll be buy the hype, sell the news. I saw a couple articles today. My buddy actually sent me one. They were talking about like the fees associated with Ethereum to Cardano within like the last month, and Cardano is just killing it right now. So I'm super exciting time to be invested in Cardano. Like with everything happening, I'm super excited about it. And BD, if you're still listening, dude, I did some research. Excuse me. I did some research into the metaverse, dude. Really to like Decentraland and stuff like that. So like, I kind of knew what you were talking about when you would talk about it, but dude, like the metaverse gets deep, man. Like they've done sold real estate for like $500,000 on this thing, and it's just crazy, man. So I encourage everybody to research into the metaverse and find out what Decentraland is. It'll take you on a wormhole, pretty deep wormhole. Like they got some cool stuff in there. Like they're talking about possibly having like virtual malls set up so you can just put on some VR goggles and go shopping in the mall and have whatever you buy directly ordered to your front door. You don't have to leave your house. Like it's just unlimited potential in the metaverse. And I truly believe that's where everything is headed, man. I really do. How do you learn to trade and learn the charts and know what's going to go up and down? I mean, the charts can give you signals. It definitely can, but that's not always true, man. The charts can fake you out as well. So like, I'll drop a link in the Discord. There's a guy called Rainer Training, whatever. I'm gonna drop it in the Discord, man. Check him out. I recommend starting with candlestick patterns and then moving to RSI, MACD, learn how to read all that, and trend lines, and the guy will teach you everything, man. So I'll definitely drop that in the Discord for you if you're eager to learn all that. Right now, the main play, Zach, is ADA for me, man. I mean, I got my Mavis, dude. I've been holding that a long time. I actually sold some Mavis when it got to 49. I sold it right around 40 bucks, but I didn't have much. I didn't have as much as I wanted. Right now, the main play for me is still ADA, man. I think if you'd have bought that 250 dip today, you'd have made decent money today just buying the dips. But of course, I know a lot of people were worried about this being a rug pull, everything just dropping down to like Doge back in the low 20 cents. And guys, I mean, to be quite honest with you, we're not seeing a breakout, a trend change just quite yet, unless this was bottom. And, you know, I'm not even convinced yet. I want to see what tomorrow brings out. Make sure we're not getting, keep getting rejected and keep heading down toward the rest of the week. I think the infrastructure bill is going to be definitely big news for us. So just gonna have to see what happens the rest of the week, guys. I mean, it's really it's hard to predict right now. Definitely in the crypto markets, just with the way everything is. Like Doge, man, 27 shocked me today. Like it really did. When I saw that, it was already back to like 28, creeping on 29. I was like, man, you know, I missed a good little opportunity right there. But you know, a lot of people would have been worried to buy right there. But you need to look at it, like when you have these real sharp moves, they're usually reverse right away. So like that's true to the upside as well. So you can pretty much bank, like if you play these sharp downward or upward plays, you can make some pretty good tendies swing trading those things. So just keep that in mind, guys, and do your own research. But there's not really too much FUD going around as news pieces are. They have a lot of institutions talking about, hey, we bought back into Bitcoin, but the price is going down now. So I'm expecting there's some shorting. The market got excited when it got over 50K. Now the whales are back in control. I think they're just playing with the people's emotions, honestly, man. I think they're gonna let it drop down a little bit like they're doing now, and they'll let it ride back up real nice and slow. I do think we'll be testing $3 ADA, hopefully by this weekend if everything gets back on track. So all I know is stock is up one day and one day is down like a gamble. Yeah, the best way to trade some stocks though is to find some you know, pretty good value bang for your buck stocks that have great potential. And I'll come up with a list, man. I really will. I've been lacking on the stock market, being that we've been transitioning more into crypto just because we knew ADA was going to pop. We knew this was going to happen. We were excited about Ethereum hard fork. So my mind state has been more focused on the crypto market. And you know, I'm sitting off some pretty nice tendies for all that research we did. So I hope y'all are too. And we'll definitely hop on it. We'll get back on the stocks a lot more and looking for some more value plays, bang for your buck for this year. Oh, check out Bulldog. All the regulations pushing my XRM to the moon. 60% gains last month. XRM is one of the cryptos that benefit from tightened crypto regulations. I did not know that, man. I'm gonna definitely check that out. I'll definitely check it out, bro. I didn't know about that. I didn't know it was like an adverse reaction to regulations for XRM, man. Yeah, man, I saw that whiskey 50 on a Doge transfer. Virtual grocery store. My buddy used to have those little Amazon buttons in his pantry. and he got rid of it because like his kid went in there and pressed a bunch of buttons and ordered a bunch of toilet paper and macaroni and stuff. But yeah, man, no, it's totally possible, dude. Like really researching it today, you know, there was prime real estate on the metaverse that sold for upwards of $500,000 already. It's like it's insane, man. It really is. What's up, JR Blanco? ADA and all my cryptos are going down because BTC is going down, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, the market, I think it's reacting to the FUD, man. The market, like, the uncertainty about the infrastructure bill, man, quite honestly. Hope you should be still sitting green on ADA, man. I don't know where you purchased in at, but hope you're sitting green, man. Appreciate it, Bulldog. Yeah, Teo's video. What's up, Nola TN? How you doing, man? Yeah, KC, man. Thanks for popping in, dude. What about Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been a pretty good buy. Went moon at 27.71. Of course, I wasn't watching the charts, man. I didn't send out any alerts today. I'm sorry about that, guys. I took the day off from reading the charts. It's been a lot lately, and you know, hopefully this is bottom. It looks like currently in the short term right now, we're looking to go back and retest 29.82, which it would be the 200-day moving average. We're getting a break, hopefully over this level of resistance right here, and hop back in this wider channel between here and 30 cents. So if we get this break over here, I think you might be facing a little rejection at 29.73, somewhere within this range, because you have a couple you have a pretty good line of resistance right there. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll cross that on the live stream tonight. Man, I went shopping and made 3 Dogecoins with my Coinbase card. I'm happy to see you got the card, man. I really am. I recommend it for anybody. I really do. And I don't get paid from Coinbase to talk about it. I am kind of upset about the Coinbase news that broke the past couple days about they had some woman. She apparently had close to 200,000 in her account, and you know, it disappeared, man. And they still haven't got back to her yet. And you know, you're supposed to have upwards to, I think, 200,000 in insurance on Coinbase, and she's not getting her stuff back. And the lack of customer help is leading to a bunch of articles being published. And like, what's interesting to me is Coinbase stock is not really going down from it. You would think that would push the price down pretty good, but yeah, it's just the market we're in right now. Just the market we're in. Oh, Win Moon, I know what you're talking about, dude. I totally forgot, my man. I forgot. I was supposed to put Dogecoin on the thumbnail, and I was trying to rush to get on. I forgot to do it. I'll make sure it happens tomorrow. No, OMG, I am not bald. What's up, new foe? Thank you for dropping in, man. Appreciate you, brother. Yep, so Doge currently trading at 29.44 right here. Looking to get a little push. I'd like to see it at least go back to retest right here at 29.70. We could probably say 29.75. That's going to be a pretty big level to get over. And if we do, we could see some action pumping in the Doge possibly tonight. Mass Market has 1.5 subs. Yep, the goal is 5K, man. We'll make it happen. We got Dogepalooza coming up October 9th. We got some pretty cool stuff happening. I'm break the news after everything is confirmed, but we have some pretty cool stuff happening for Dogepalooza. He says I'm bald. JR Blanco says, I like Doge to hit $1. Hey, man, I'm with you. I think this bull cycle is going to get it, man. But I think it's going to happen. They got a lot of talks that what's about to happen is going to happen quick and it's going to happen fast. Now, I saw a lot of people talking about 55, 60K on Bitcoin this week. That's not out of reach, but it's a little out of reach if you ask me. It could happen, quite possibly could happen. I think you could see above 50 again, but crypto would absolutely have to get back on track. Hopefully the infrastructure build, doesn't affect anything. I don't think it will, just because I really think we're going to finish out this bull cycle really green, guys, but I think it's going to happen really fast. And when that happens, I'm going to be looking to take profits this year. Cop mustache. Thomas Harris saying Doge up 1% since I started the stream. That's what's up, man. All it took was Matt's Market getting back on the live streams, man. I missed you guys when I didn't stream last night. I really did. But I was setting up all this, trying to get everything situated. Just trying to get back on camera, guys. RW says, looks like Doge is recharging itself. Lots of green candles showing up. We got this. Yep, hopefully we're moving back in the right direction. Always predicted Doge would hit 135 by early 2022. Sticking with that. That's the talks of the top of this bull cycle around 130. I'm hearing a lot of 130 predictions. Hope everyone having a nice night shopping, getting them tendies at Mass Market. Thank you very much, Mufo, for tuning in, man. You already know. Robert Dean bald coming in hot. Thank you very much for that super chat, Robert Dean. Greatly appreciate it. I like seeing that little kid dancing on the screen. Not just because of super chats, just because I like seeing that little kid dance. That's one of my favorite gifts. Seeing a little bit of rejection at 29.53. So to stay above this level of resistance right here would be the best case scenario. Continue to uptrend. Get ADA back around. I think ADA is going to start moving, guys. We had a red day today. I think tomorrow is going to be pretty good to ADA. Possibly hop back. I can see 285 real easy. Being that we got that bounce from 250. It was real quick, real fast. It's a good sign for crypto. It is. Even though we had some red days today, that bounce that happened really fast, that's pretty bullish sign for crypto. RW says, I'm waiting for Doge to hit $1, and then we all need to take Matt out of town in Baton Rouge for a weekend. Definitely, man. Definitely. So we got Ethereum 3213, Bitcoin 48275, Dogecoin 2945, and ADA 278. I think ADA's a pretty good price right there, guys. I mean, yeah, we ran up a ton, but I don't think ADA's done. I really don't. And I think ADA is going to continue to make some moves and impress some people. I think you'll really start to see it. We're currently hopping over this 200-day moving average on the 5-minute chart. Let's check out the 4-hour and see what's going on over here. I mean, guys, this pullback doesn't look that bad. You look at the 4-hour charts, this pullback is pretty natural if you ask me. And I was expecting it. I was expecting pullback. I thought the 260, 250, and it was going to bounce, and it bounced hard. So this is still very bullish, guys. I mean, the RSI on ADA on the 4-hour is still 59, so you're getting some buying pressure. I think you're reloading right here, getting set up for that retest of 297. I think you're going to see $3 ADA come here shortly, guys. It might not be tomorrow, and it might not be till the weekend, but I do think it's going to be this week. I think you'll see another major move for ADA coming up here shortly, guys. Let's check out some Dogecoin. Look at the 4-hour on some Doge. Now Doge, not looking so hot. Not as good as ADA. I mean, You got kind of double bottom situation going on right here at 27.77, and it's quick bounces, but you kind of hit that peak at 35 and never really went back to touch it, and now you kind of slumping over, looking to try to consolidate, find some legs, and if it can do that and trade sideways for a little bit, that'd be best case scenario. But you're gonna have some trouble getting back between 30 and 31. And that's what we really want. We want Dogecoin trading in the 32 to 35 range again to get ready for another pop, because that's kind of what we were thinking. We were trading between 30 and 35 for the longest time, waiting for this next leg up. It just never happened. And of course, we got Bitcoin over 50K, but that was just for what, 1 day? So it was very brief. I don't think it quite gave Dogecoin the time to catch up, but it's sad to see that Dogecoin is being affected on the way down. You can see that down almost 6% on the day, while Bitcoin's down 2.37, Ethereum's down 3.57, ADA down 2%. I think you'll start to see ADA moving again, probably be the best runners out the top 5 cryptos tomorrow. But we'll have to see what happens, guys. We really will. All right, let me pull this back up. Robert Dean says, ADA has been solid. Wish I got an ADA, man. Yeah, man, we were talking about ADA since the beginning of these streams, man. Actually, one of the subs in here like brought it up to us, and really got us interested in it. And I started researching it more and more, and I was like, man, I was intrigued. He was in here a little bit ago, Crypto Visions. I saw him in here a little bit ago. ADA does look bullish on the daily and weekly charts. I look for buying ADA on the dip. Yeah, man. I mean, it does. The setup on the 4-hour chart for ADA absolutely looks beautiful, man. Really, really does. So I'm just trying to see, man, I hope we don't continue bleeding out to go get a retest of this 200-day moving average. It's looking a little bearish right here. 25.15 is that 200-day, but that's going to continue to creep up. And if this creeps down, and it'll eventually meet at some point. But right now, it's looking a little bearish, guys. I'd like to see a nice little pop tomorrow, at least get back. Maybe form a little cup and handle. Someone told me earlier that 30-minute, was it the 30-minute? No, let me see. Maybe it was the daily. No, let's check the weekly. Maybe so. I saw a little picture earlier. Showed a cup and handle. I don't know what minute chart they were looking at it on, though. But nonetheless, on the 5-minute chart, I'd like to see us hold resistance here and bounce up. And I think we will. We got this, see a 14-day moving average hooking, crossing that blue line, the 50-day moving average, and it's working its way back up. I think we'll eventually get that retest of 29.74, which is 25 cents off. So hopefully we'll get that retest tonight and see what happens. Let me see where I'm at on the comments. You expect big pullbacks for crypto this week? I think hopefully we're nearing the end, Nufo, on the crypto pullbacks. I really hope so, man. Dogecoin looks a little bearish, man. It does. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm hoping it starts making some moves. I think ADA tomorrow is gonna rebound. Hopefully, the whole crypto market will rebound the losses we had today, and then some. Hopefully, we'll start getting Bitcoin going back to 50K. That way, we can get the whole market to bounce. Ethereum, we're sitting around 33.45, just bleeding off. People taking profits. I think a lot of people saw that rejection on 297. For ADA, and they took profits. That's honestly what I think. I think you had some whales take profits, shorted down, made some money, and now they're like, okay, we probably got some people to sell out. We'll let it roll again, you know? Just my opinion, man. I just think the whales are playing with it. But I'm hoping for a great day tomorrow. I really am. Thoughts on 40-cent Doge on Friday? Man, it's not looking like it, Thomas. I really don't think so, man. I would love to see it, man. I really would, but I would like to see 33-cent Doge come Friday if the market keeps moving. I think at this point, even if Bitcoin would like start ripping and running, getting over 50K, Doge has still been lagging behind the rest of the cryptos for some reason. Like, it's just, it'll lag behind, and then like the next day or two, it'll gain 5-10% up, and it'll make its move on its own. So we'll continue to watch it closely, man. But 40 cents, that's a little far stretch for me, man. I would like to see 33. Mr. D Gray, whoa, this is new. This is new, man. I'm on the green screen. Rocking on the mic, man. I'm a little off my game, guys. I haven't been on the camera in a while. It's been probably a month. So thank you guys for tuning in with me. Really appreciate it. Thank y'all for supporting me the way y'all have been. It means a lot. Really does. Crypto Visions, I think he bounced, man. JR says Doge seems to bouncing off the 20 simple moving average on the daily chart. See what you're talking about, man. I got the 14, so possibly a 20 could be down there. This RSI is cooling off on the daily. 54. You can see when we had that pop to 35 cents, that thing was rocking 72. And I know a lot of people on the 4-hour on the day chart, if you see crypto, let me come down a little bit. See these dips on this RSI? It can kind of help you look for good buying opportunities. Really can. I mean, when we hit 16 cents right here, the RSI was I can't see it if I do that. Let me put it right here. 37. So yeah, anywhere in the 30s is oversold. So especially if you're looking at the 4-hour chart, that's the one I like to look at. It gives you a bigger picture about what's going on. And currently right now on the RSI, you're looking at 35. So I'd expect this would be a pretty good buying opportunity. Really would. Let me zoom on in. It was on my Twitter page. You seen the picture of Doge. Oh, yeah, man. That was it. That's where I saw that at. I would love to see 40 cents, man. The market would have to make some pretty big moves. And I would like to see 33, man. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Smash that like button and subscribe. Yeah, Ernesto, AMC and GME was booming, dude. New foe. Appreciate that, man. It's all good, man. Thank you for tuning in. It's a good prediction, D-Grade. Doge hitting 40, 45, month and a half, maybe 2. ADA hitting 320 3 weeks from now. We'll see what happens, my friend. What's up, Snowman? I see you in the chat, my man. Thanks for tuning in. Very happy, dude. Ada's doing his thing, man. Ada is doing his thing. We got another $5 super chat coming in from Robert Dean, dude. Coming in hot. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Greatly appreciate the channel support, my man. Greatly appreciate it. Yeah, it's definitely some wild rides, man. Especially what Bitcoin's doing, man. It's some wild rides. I think they scared people just enough to where, like, when stuff starts heading south, that people get concerned that it's going to keep going back to 16 cents, 20. Not saying it can't. I just don't think it will right away. I think the market's going to start moving here shortly. I think ADA is going to be, possibly between $5 and $10 this year. So I'm still holding true to that. I still believe in it. I didn't get rid of it at 297. I'm not going to sell it at 277. So that's how I feel about that. So Ethereum dropping over 32, under 3,200. I wonder what's going on the charts over there. Now's not the time to be trying to swing trade, I don't think. I mean, if you can buy some pretty good dips off of the market, that'd be your best bet. Like that dip to 27, 28. But that's how the start of this last thing happened. Like when we started bleeding off from 64,000, we just had these really sharp dips and then it popped right back up. Kind of what happened today. And that concerns me. It really does, because you get back in bearish territory, you start trading underneath this 200-day moving average. But it's a very good sign to see it, continue to cross back under the 50-day moving average. We're crossing back right now. I like to see us hold support and try to work our way back to the 200-day moving average, which is around 32.27. Hopefully tomorrow is green for us. I'm just ready for them to get this infrastructure stuff out the way. I think some FUD from that could be affecting the markets for crypto right now. What's up, Bear? Thanks for tuning in, man. Did you ever, what is it? You called it out earlier in the Discord. Naked. Did you buy some? Let's see what it did. Naked brand, everybody. Meme stocks are rocking today. 13, 14, 15% up today. Absolutely rocking. Casey popped in for like a few minutes, dude, and then he was out, man. He was out like a light. Barry, you still holding your bags for AMC or what, man? Are you still holding them? Or did you sell out? Up 26% today, man. Pretty good moves. Stocks to look at: Wint. W-I-N-T. Wintry. This must be like some infrastructure play, huh? Whoa. Look at that. I'll look into it. Wintry, everybody. Sounds like an infrastructure play. I'll definitely check it out, though. See where I'm at in the chat. I got 60 shares at 59 cents. Awesome, man. You gotta be careful with Naked, though. After these meme stocks pop like that, the next day can tend to, bleed off the rest of the week. And you might have had some type of gamma squeezing going on, so it might continue to rock the rest of the week. We'll have to see how it plays out, man. I'm interested to see I think AMC and GME could, possibly continue to climb in the pre-market tomorrow, and see if we don't get some shorting action going on. I think if you wake up pre-market and buy some AMC, quite possibly make another 10%, So we'll see what happens. Last time the meme stocks ran up, Naked and Sundial were sleepers. Yeah, I saw that, man. They really didn't move up too much today. Nonetheless, man, even Cost was up right around 10%. So Cost is one of the meme stocks people don't talk about. It's definitely heavily shorted. I'm surprised it didn't move a lot more, but nonetheless, 10% on a play per day is a great day, guys. I'm still holding the bag from both. Oh, I got you, Nola. You talking to Bear? Man, I told you I would. All right, Snowman. Much love, man. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Dude, I gotta turn that autocorrect off of my phone because it is terrible, my man. Nothing wrong with that, man. Try to get a little swing trade off of Naked brand. Yeah, it's just weird, man. Naked. I mean, if the meme stocks absolutely rip, that's when it rips. So you're gonna want to buy it if you are looking to buy it cheap. Like, I wouldn't be looking to buy it right this instance. I would wait for some pullback. I mean, you could have got it for 50 cents. Quite possibly, it's pretty decent level to be picking up Naked brand at. I'd be patient if you are looking to get into it. Weaver chart's messing up on me. See that? I hate when Weeble does that. That's the only complaint I have when I'm live streaming. Trying to reach back up to the charts. There we go. I mean, look at this pop. This is the 4-hour chart. That's a 4-hour candle. Like, man, that's not natural. That is not natural whatsoever. But guys, if you're looking for technicals, that's a bull flag right there. That is beautiful. Bull flag came down and popped right back up. Really nice ascending level of support. I'm going to be eager to see what happens tomorrow. Really am. I think pre-market, if you want to get in on a quick swing trade on AMC, I think he'll treat you well. I think the momentum is going to continue. But nothing's guaranteed, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. Robert Dean, you invested in Macy's or you just been watching it? Up 4.45% today. Yeah, that's some pretty steady growth. I think you could catch it on one of these little dips right here. Pop up, trade sideways, a little upward momentum, quick dip, same thing, quick dip. The dips are getting a little bit flatter though, so I'd be careful right here. You might get a good dip back to the 200-day moving average at 22.45. Nonetheless though, somewhere within, depending on how much you have of this, you could do a little bit of swing trading on Macy's. Pretty safe play too. HUD 8 mining, there is a few different stocks for it. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking to add some HUD soon, especially with the way Bitcoin's moving right now. I think you can get it cheap and make some pretty decent plays, at least back to what 750 was the range that we were playing around at. So I like that range. Oh, I got you, Robert Dean. Smart man. I bought Macy's during the you know what shutdown. That's what's up, man. I'm thinking of buying at Costco. I've never seen them this busy for the years I've been driving. Interesting, man. You know, that could tell you a lot right there, dude. You're on the front lines of supply and demand in this country, man. So if you're seeing spikes in something, definitely something to look into, my man. Yes, I can definitely go for ice cream bar, man. I could go for Doge popping above 30 cents too, man. While we've been talking, chatting it up, Dogecoin is dropping a little bit more. Not really holding up, guys. I was expecting to get this hold over this level of resistance right here. We are not getting it. Could possibly go back to retest 28.62. This would be a false break right here. 5-minute open and close. Remember, guys, the same thing on the way down. So that was a false break. That's a good swing trade play right there. Really is. I mean, it's hard to time it perfectly, but usually when you have this much selling, there's a lot of action going on in the buying and selling. So like Robinhood and the other platforms don't have time to really comprehend to the T that you can get better prices, what I'm saying, off these really, really fast dips. I've done it, and that's how I'm telling you I know this, because when you get these really hardcore dips, so much action going on. It's so many people getting out, so many people getting in. You can get a pretty good price on these dips, and hopefully we stay steady and keep bouncing off this 14-day moving average. So if you guys are rocking late tonight and you got your 14-day moving average, 50-day and 200-day, you don't want to see it keep bouncing right here, trying to get over this 50 currently at 29.36, and then start working your way back up to 31 cents, which that'll probably be 30 cents by the time we go back to meet it. So we'll just have to see. Oh, I didn't know that, Ernesto. I'll fix it for next stream, man. ZKN popped. I do not know. We can look up the news though. ZKIN. Absolutely popped. Wow. I would I have no clue. OMG, are you in ZKIN? Please let me know. I was 16. I mean, you get that break above 4, it could easily, well, that's where it's at right there. 490. You have a lot of traffic in the way. I don't see it really. I'll have to see what happens. Like, you get these plays like that, like NAOV, it'll just absolutely do its thing, and then the next day it'll continue to run. Your next level of resistance is 433. Pop over that, you could have a pretty good run. Back to 450. I think 450 is going to be a pretty major level for you. You pop that right there. Oh, 450. There you go. Oh, I got you. You heavy in ZKIN? What's your price target on here? I mean, if you're holding it, I would hold it. I really would. It's looking pretty bullish. You got that hard move above that 200-day moving average. My big concern would be to see how much pullback you see from this major run up. Because guys, when you have major run ups like this, it's gonna pull back. But what level does it pull back to? The 200-day moving average is $3.62. Retest of that would be most likely, unless you continue just rip tomorrow. So we'll have to see. It's interesting that a lot of stocks are just absolutely ripping at the same time, especially a meme stock. So we'll have to see what happens, my friends. West Side, it's me. I'm on the camera, man. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Dude, I love that new command that y'all have over there for Redeem Rhythm. I will probably hit that up a few times before I go to bed tonight. Very funny, my man. Let's pull back up the Doge charts real quick. 29.23, guys. So yeah, it's looking bearish right now. I really hope we're not heading back to retest this 50-day moving average. You have a couple levels in between this to hold, which would be 28.62 and 28.15, and then we have some levels right here. We'll worry about those tomorrow night if we do see them. But yeah, you have this double bottom at 27.61. I think that'd be a pretty good. That looks to be pretty strong right there. 27.61. Leave that right there. Rock with that for a little bit. I know it looks really jumbled up. We're on the 4-hour chart right here, guys. But, look at that RSI. It's really cooled off, 34. I think you're due for a pretty nice little pop. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be green for the crypto market. Hopefully we'll get some news on infrastructure and get the FUD and uncertainty out the market about what's going on with the infrastructure bill. So really hoping for that. Let's look at the 30-minute. The moving averages do move around, guys, when you go between the 30, 1 hour, 2 hour. So you can see we're playing right underneath the 30-minute, which is another good minute indicator to look at. But we can't seem to quite pop over it. So we'll have to see. But nonetheless, still in bearish territory. Anytime you're trading underneath that 200-day moving average, you're kind of in a little bearish trend right there. Not to say it can't, pop back over, but I like to look at different minute charts to tell you, like the RSI. When we hit that dip of 27, the RSI was 14 on the 30-minute. Like, that is extremely, extremely oversold. So, like, guys, if you're looking at these trends and you see, anything under 20 on the RSI, I mean, I would have to, pick some up for a quick swing trade or something in the mix. What's up, Crypto Critter? Thank you for tuning in, my man. Dude, we done got you out your house. Got you out your off your comfy couch. Go and get some ice cream, my man. I ain't gonna lie. That just made me want some even more. RW says, hoping Cardano hits $5-10 in the next few years. Trying to load up. Currently at 2,190 coins. Man, you were sitting nice. RW, what's your price average? Nesto, I did not. Not sure how to buy NFTs yet. Bear, get at me in a Discord message, man. I'll teach you what you want to know about the NFTs if you want to buy some. Oh, ChargePoint? Let's check out ChargePoint. Let's see what's going on. Being that we got the infrastructure deal, I didn't look at ChargePoint today, but I would have to guess it's up 2.59%. Barely any in after. Back in some bullish territory right here. We're getting some steam going. Man, I mean, you came a long way from 26. I still think you got some pretty good profits to be made here. I know that's one of the things they're putting in the infrastructure bill is charging stations. Let's check out Nikola. Nicola is another one that that was one of my first really good plays before all this stuff went down. And Nicola coming off a pretty decent day, 4.37%. Yep, low of $9. So Nicola at one time hit $56 way back 2020 or 2019, something like that. But this is way I don't know. It's difficult with these new car makers like this. We'll have to see what happens. But I was always pretty bullish on Nikola long term, especially with the way they're trying to incorporate hydrogen trucks. So we'll have to see what happens. But nonetheless, I'm always watching this one. $9 was a pretty good double bottom. So I think if you see somewhere within the 9 range, you could play that for a pretty good pop. So guys, I mean, look, the chart looks absolutely identical. This last hard dip we had, traded sideways for a little bit, dipped a little bit more. So hard dip, traded sideways. Maybe we get one more little dip before we start lifting off. But man, that's that when we rocketed back up to 32 cents really quick. So will we see that again? Quite possibly. So I might start looking to see what happens tomorrow if we continue holding these levels. And if we get one more really good dip, I think I'm going to end up getting some more Doge and riding that back up for a nice little swing trade. I think that'll treat you well. 29.29 on the Doge, 277 on ADA, 32 on Ethereum, and 48.215 on the Bitcoin. Oh Lord, I fell behind on the chat. Can probably not, Bear. I'm sure there's a way to do it, but doing this, man, was a big enough headache. I didn't even stream last night because I had so much going on trying to set this up, and by the time I was done, it was 9 o'clock, and I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go log on because crypto was dipping, man. I wanted to come on and talk to y'all, but by the time everything happened, I went to log on and it wasn't working anymore. So I had to go through my OBS settings, change everything up, and finally I got everything back up and running. But I'm happy to be back on the camera, man. I really am. I took it away for a while to get a little bit more comfortable on the mic, and it definitely helped. Definitely helped. Saw that's green weekend or red weekend. That's a tough call, man. You know how crypto is. It can go either way on you, man. It's hard to predict. Hey, do you, Ernesto? ZKIN at 160. I think if you get rejected, let's pull that up again. I would wake up pre-market and watch it. If you're looking to get out, it might not be a bad time to do it. $4.31. Yeah, you could ride it back down pretty good. Maybe a bounce off this. I'd ride it at least to. Let's see where this is at. Why is it not telling me where this is at? $4.02 is your level you want to hold. That'd be a pretty good trade right there. Really would. Because if you wake up and it's popping again and you get that break over $4.31, $4.50 you look to get rejected. That's really a lot of upward momentum, and the harder you go up, you tend to drop. So you see here, you had a pretty similar run up and fell down pretty good about halfway. So I could definitely see it. I mean, if you want to hold it, you could possibly see some type of bounce level around $3.75. That'd be best case scenario, and then get a bounce and then continue upwards to try to retest 450. I just, way it looks up, way it's lining to me, the RSI is way popping out the band right here. I think it's going to need some time to cool off. I think you'll see some pullback coming in the short future. So $4.31 would be a major level for ZKIN. If you see that break, you'll go retest. You'll go back to the test 450 on that. So guys, we might. I mean, this looks identical. This area right here and this area right here, they look identical. Identical double bottom. I mean, if it follows the same thing, I'm gonna be blown away, guys. If we see an absolute rip tomorrow to get over this 200-day moving average or something like that, I'm gonna be blown away by the way the charts just mimic each other. It's possible. We'll see what happens. So how many subs in your party? I think we're up to, we're about to hit 1550, guys. So thank y'all very much for supporting the channel. Like, really, it means a lot. Really does. Let's see where I'm at. Dean, if the infrastructure bill would pass, I think a bunch of stocks could honestly pop. So we'll have to see, man. I like ChargePoint at 26, man. I think you'll see it again once the infrastructure bill is passed. Matt averages around $1.08, I think. Oh man, dude, you're sitting gravy, man. You were sitting so nice right there. Congrats for you. I'm happy for you. I don't have any NFTs, man. I do not. But that market, it gets deep, man, when you start researching everything. Nikola hit all-time high because the CEO is smarter than Elon and pumped the scam hard. Yeah, what was his name? It's on the tip of my tongue, too. Anyway, I think he's going to jail. He's got some legal issues, man. Cheetah Mobile. What's the ticker symbol? I'll look at it. OMG says Matt likes IPOs. I love them. Absolutely love them. I don't play them and they run to $77. Absolutely love IPOs. Thank you for reminding me. I'm telling y'all, if I play an IPO, you can short that thing. If it's possible at the time, you can short it and make some pretty good money. Oh yeah, D-grade. OBS can make you pretty aggravated, man. Robinhood doesn't let you trade pre or after hours. You can buy penny stocks with a minute limit though. I had to grab 100 shares of Sundial on Webull to meet minimum. Yep, you have to buy 100 shares, dude, if it's underneath $1. So keep that in mind if you're looking to swing trade something underneath $1. CTRM was like that for a while, man. Now since they reverse split, price is somewhere around what, $2. So doesn't have that problem anymore. But anything under $1. Yep, Trevor Milton. That's it, Bear. It was right on the tip of my tongue, dude. I used to be really bullish about Nikola, man. Right when they came out, I was like, man, this company's going places. And I invested in it. It was Vector IQ before the merger. And I hopped on that hype train, man. Vector IQ was a $20 stock right when they merged with Nikola. And that thing ripped, man. It did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Ran to 56, and I got out somewhere around $50. And I made some pretty nice tendies off Nikola. And I was always pretty much bullish on it. And when I saw it, continuing to double bottom like it was, I missed it. I wasn't watching it like I was supposed to be. That's not the main one on my radar, being that I'm trying to transition to being a more of a crypto channel. Nonetheless, we can still make some tendies in the stock market. But Nikola was a very good buy for $9, in my opinion. Very, very good buy. We'll see what happens with the infrastructure because I'm wanting to see what they do with the hydrogen part of the bill, because they're going to need fueling stations cross country for that type of stuff, for 18-wheelers and stuff like that. So we'll see what happens. Robert Dean says, Bear, I'm on TD for stocks. Sundial made some money. Had it a ways back and sold it. It's awesome, Robert Dean. Hey, if you believe that, OMG, I would hang on to it if you believe that. If it could pop with the infrastructure, I don't know enough about ZKIN to comment on that. I'm just telling you from a technical based analysis that $4.31 looks like a pretty heavy level for you, but if you break that, you could easily go to $4.50, and you'll probably get rejected somewhere within that range if you continue to run tomorrow. And I'll keep a close eye on it for you. I want to see what happens with it. I want to see if the technicals hold true. Who knows? You might come out the gate tomorrow and not even try to retest $4.31 and just bleed off the rest of the day. So just keep a close eye on it. I would. You had pretty strong support around 375. So if you're willing to ride it back down that much, completely up to you. Bear, he just posted $1 million bail 2 weeks ago. I wonder how he did that, man. $10 million. Wow. I didn't see that, D-grade. I did, man. Yeah, KL, dude. I was when I got off of work, man, I was like listening to like metaverse stuff, man. The metaverse will get you deep. Like this is like virtual reality, lifestyle, like man, it gets deep. I encourage everybody that's into crypto to actually look into Decentraland, and you will be blown away by the stuff you'll find. Guarantee it. GTS stock was on fire today. We got Doge continue to bleed down, guys. Quite possibly we'll see. We might see a retest of 29 cents here shortly. So just be prepared for that. GTS, not GTA, GTS. 555 management. That looks like it. Up 50%. What? Can't even see this candle. That wasn't like a reverse split. I can't even see the candle. I wonder why. That's one of the ones you'll never catch though unless you're already in it. Like that is just crazy how them stocks do. And like all the guys on Wall Street have this insider information already. It's like right when the bell opens or closes, boom, it's rocking. You already missed it. You already missed it. I used to wake up pre-market and try to like buy the top runners for the day to see what I could get. And some days it would hit. It really would. But that's not sustainable for swing trading. You can get wrecked. I grabbed 74 E&J coins at 196. NFT coins might be something. I'll look into it, man. E&J was ripping. I think I saw E&J ripping the other day. I've been having that one on my radar, dude. I honestly have. Matt, can you check GRWG? I sure can for you, man. Where you at, GRWG? Grow Generations. Is this like a pot stock? Let's see what we're looking at, dude. Whoa. Some pretty solid growth, man. Whoa. Even more interesting. Why did it do this? can't see. Oh, there it goes. So this thing came from nothing all the way to 70 bucks. So on the 4 hour, my man, are you invested into this right now? Because you're getting a pretty hard test and you're within a pretty tight wedge right here. That RSI is popping. I think you're not going to get this break over this 50-day. I could be wrong, man, but just the way the charts are lining up, you are briefly getting over the top with this last 4 hour candle. Let's see what happens tomorrow, but I think if you get that break, you could easily pop back to 35 bucks, my man. 35 bucks. You're at a pretty critical point right there, man, in the charts. Just with that RSI heating up like that, I mean, it can run for a little while, busting out, riding the top end. But that's I think you get the break, man. You got that 14-day hooking. You got some momentum heading in. If you're holding it, I would hold it. Depending on what price target you're in. I mean, if you're in at 60 bucks, you could be waiting a while. But I think you have some momentum right here. I think you ride that momentum, break past that, and I think you could easily ride it back to 35, 36, man. Just on the technical standpoint. All right, let me catch back up with the chat. Oh, I got you, D-Grade. All right, Saul, dude, thank you, man. If you're not still in here, man, appreciate it. Sorry, I get to rambling. That's what happens. Yeah, a lot of people lost some tendies on HCMC, man. Them FOMO plays, that they'll do them to you, man, every time. What's up, Jonathan Johnson? Thank you for tuning in, man. What's gapped up, crypto? You lost money on AABB? Yeah, it always sucks when you lose money, man. D-Grade, I sure can, buddy. Let's check it out, man. SSSS. Oh no. It's like whenever Weeble, you're on the 4 hour chart, something is weird about Weeble. Are you in this, D-Grade? Let me know if you're in this. I mean, to me, this would almost be a decent buying opportunity and ride it at least a little bit on the way back up. RSI, 4 hours 40. Let me pour me some more water, guys. I think you could ride that on the way back up. That's some really hard, dude. I mean, that's. Check the news, man. I can't pull up the news right here on this right here. The charts changed up on me, but pull up the news, man. Make sure there's no major bad news, because you might continue to drop. But looks like you get a little pop right here. I think you could easily test it back to 1350, man. So interesting. SSSS. All right, what we got? Where are we at? Look at Bear. I'll check the FDA calendar every now and then online to see what biofarms are up for trials and approvals. I got some hits on some. That's how I found eyes, man. So you can definitely read those, man. I caught eyes over the weekend, and I was like, oh, dude, it's gonna pop Monday, and eyes ripped. But that's how I found it, being a nerd, reading the FDA approvals. It's a little shot in the dark. I mean, most, if a company doesn't get approved, of course, you're gonna lose significant amounts. So it's very dangerous playing those pharmaceuticals and those bio stocks. But if you hit them, you can hit them nice. That's why you see a lot of the top gainers for the days will be some biopharmaceutical company, just because FDA approval, and they just rip to 200-300%. What's up, Rick? Thank you very much for tuning in, man. Got 32 likes on the video. Thank y'all very much. Yeah, FDAs are huge, Robert Dean. Oh, I got you, Crypto Visions. Makes sense, man. Was a while back, so at 16 thought about jumping back in, but I don't know. It looks set up for a nice little rip back up, man. Anytime, the harder you go up, the harder you fall, and that thing, it fell back to the previous level before that last rip. So I think you could make like a little volume play off of it. CSCW. Check it out, man. I like me some Shaq, dude. Repping that LSU, man. Color Star Technology. Up 20%. It's probably the news. That was during the day, though. Lost some steam in the aftermarket. It looks pretty bullish, though. That was probably when people started learning about the deal right there. And that might have been the news right here. Who knows? That looks bullish, though. Really cheap stock. 92 cents. Interesting. I never knew about that, man. Pull back up some Doge. We got ADA 274. Doge getting that 29-cent retest like we talked about. Looks like we are going to see it. I'd like to see us hold there. You have quite a bit of support. I think you'll get the hold. It might dip briefly below it, but we should continue to hopefully uptrend a little bit more and go back to retest that 200-day moving average. So we'll see what happens here, guys. We'll be rocking for a little bit more. See where I'm at. OMG. Crown kicking in. We got the crown alert. Yeah, them fast track FDAs, Robert. Bear, so I'll make sure I know what you're talking about. Doge's bottom right now. It just hit like a bit of a, let me see where it's at. 4-hour chart. There it is. Take 20 minutes to zoom in. So you're kind of playing this little double bottom right here, man. And it's setting up pretty much exactly the same, dude. Like if you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4 candles right here, followed by one big massive pop. So you get this red bleeding off, one green, and then 2 more red, and then big pop. I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen, guys. I'm just saying these charts right here off this what I would call a double bottom right here look exactly the same. And if you get a massive candle that runs back up to 32 cents, my mind is just boom, it's gone. It's like, what is really going on in this market? Like, so if it happens tomorrow, I will be blown away, absolutely blown away, because this looks really, really identical. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But right now, 27's pretty solid. But like I said, it's setting up for the same way. Give me 1 second, guys. I got a call coming in. Let me get this. All right, I apologize about that. I was waiting on that call, so sorry about that, guys. Yeah, that's what we want to see, man. Doge getting them those higher lows. It's just maybe this double bottom will treat us well, man. We double bottom quite a while back and then popped after. But like I said, I'm gonna be blown away if we absolutely get that pop tomorrow and right back up to 32. It can happen, guys. Just as fast as crypto dips, it can rip. So just be on the lookout for it. Robert Dean, dude, coming in again with the super chat, my man. Hey, much love, dude. Thank you very much for supporting Mass Market, man. I greatly appreciate it, and I'm happy to be back on camera. It's actually where you can see my facial expressions, so I can thank you first and foremost, man. Thank you very much for that $5 super chat, my man. Had a very important phone call. I know you can see me. I didn't want to go hop up. It wasn't going to take long, man. Sorry about that. Bitcoin dip. Yeah, Bitcoin's, yeah. Even Ethereum, man. It's not looking good right here, guys. But same thing right here. Those candles right here, you had this other major dip to about, let's see where it was. 28.38. It bounced at 28.38 on this next rip, and then the next 4 hours was completely super green. So I'm just throwing that out there just in case it does happen again. Those two points right here look identical, like completely identical. It just popped out on me on the stream first time I ever saw it. So for that to happen, this 4 hour candle, the bottom wick of it would have to be 28.38, somewhere within that range. River Bear Dipto to Ripto. It was Jimmy Johns. It was Jake from State Farm, man, with the khakis. You guys are funny. You guys are funny guys, cracking me up. So best case scenario, guys, at some point at the end of this 4 hour candle, the next 4 hour, we absolutely have massive volume that breaks the Richter scale for Dogecoin, gets it hopping back in the 32 cent range. But if not, guys, we're going to continue to bleed off right here. It's not looking too bullish right here, even though I am tomorrow, hoping we have a green day. I do think the rest of the year, we're going to be expecting some major runs in crypto. And I know these red days are pretty tough right now, but just hold true to your trade. You know, if you still believe in ADA $5, I sure do. I'm going to be holding out for some pretty nice gains on my ADA. Right around, I'm already up over 100% now. You know, I contemplated taking profits, but I really do think ADA is going to do some great things with the Alonzo hard fork upgrade coming up on September 12th, and I don't think it'll be by the hype sell news. ADA, in my opinion, is outperforming Ethereum on the fees, and I think it will continue to gain some steam on Ethereum, but it still has a lot of ground to cover on the NFT side of stuff and smart contracts and everything, so still have a lot of work to do. You guys are funny. Your brother-in-law's name is Jake. Yeah, Jake from State Farm. That's it, Bear. You only live once, man. Buy some Dogecoin, man. And you will live a happy life, my friend. Let's see. So, guys, that's pretty much what I got for y'all tonight. I just wanted to hop on. You know, these red days do suck. They really do. We got Bitcoin probably about to cross underneath 48,000 right here unless we get a bounce. Hopefully we can find some really heavy support on Bitcoin right there. But it's looking a little bearish right now. Just hang in there. If you are looking to take your profits off of ADA, I don't blame you at all. I mean, just between the past week and a half, you're still sitting above the all-time high on ADA. I do expect a pop back to around the 285 range coming this week. We'll see what happens. I'd like to see Doge go back to retest 30 cents, but it's not to say that we won't head a little down before we start heading back up, guys. So just keep that in mind. And for your Ethereum, I'm watching 3100 very closely. You have a lot of support right there. I would start getting concerned if we start getting Bitcoin back toward 46, possibly toward 45. So that's some pretty major levels. And of course, you know, if we get Bitcoin above 50, the market will get super excited again. Hopefully we can maintain that to give Dogecoin enough time to absolutely rip through the market. But Doge taking the biggest hit today, down 7.3% on the day. Really sucks. Y'all know Doge is our one of our main cryptos we talk about over here at Matt's Market. So really hope to see we recover those gains tomorrow and have a green day. So yep, you already know, Bear. I'm about to go ahead and shut it down. For everybody out there, make sure Crypto Visions has a 24/7 stream too. Make sure to check him out. He's pretty cool guy. Pretty cool. Y'all make sure to check him out. And guys, we'll be rocking tomorrow. I'll have some news to break to y'all. Hopefully some good stuff about our planned trip to Dojapalooza. And once again, thank y'all very much for tuning in, man. Nothing but love over here. I'm glad to be back on the camera. Glad to be rocking back on the mic. And I can't wait to see us make some tendies for the rest of the year. So with that being said, guys, I'll check you out tomorrow night. Much love and peace.